Yeah, hello. Once again, it's Richard for here, and this is Thursday Fortune. Okay, Thursday Fortune, and I have some very simple plan. It's very simple, but okay. Let's look at it from national paper, midweek paper, and then the Thursday paper itself. So the plan is in national, is in midweek, and it's in the Thursday paper itself. So first, let's take a look at the one in the national paper first. Okay, the one in the national. The one in the national here is it in the year 2009. In the year 2009, and then single 3 will play at first position. Single 3 at first position. Then 3 weeks down. 1, 2, 3. That single 3 will jump and play with 48. That is a two shot. Very simple. As I already told you, any of the event that I'm going to show, the 3 event, I can use any of them as my event. But if you could remember the last time I used 7 as banker and he played with they even played a game in midweek today that I used the 38 You remember that 7 the two plans, one in Friday, one in Thursday itself, and one is in national. I used the national one and they played the one in the Thursday. So this time around, I'm focusing on the one in the Thursday. That is the main reason why I'm going for the Thursday one. If not, this one here is also good because of this 4. I'm scared of the 4 being a full banker for Thursday Fortune. You can see the single 3 jump and play with the 48. You notice 24 over there. That 24 is the third number playing with the numbers. So you can see it even repeat at the down there. But that is not what I'm using. It's not on the Thursday one, but it's in the midweek one and also this one in the national. So this one is in the national. So this event is also good to PERM. That is event 2447. Event 2447. Now let's move from the national straight to midweek. Here is the one in the midweek. You can see in the year 2020. In the year 2020 at event 849. Event 849. Event 848. You see 7. Event 848. Okay. You see 7 play first. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 weeks down. The single 3 will still play at each position. That is first position. So 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. The single 3 will jump again and play with the counter. That is the 48. So single 3, 48 again, too sure. But you can see it also over here. The 24 is on the event, just like the one in the national. So this one, the 24 is there. This event also, that is event 854. It's also good. The midweek one is also good to PERM because of that 24 over there. So the 24 is adding to them the one we saw in the national. 3 numbers, single 3, 48, 24. The one we are seeing in the midweek also, single 3, 48, 24 again. 3 numbers. The same 3 numbers here is still there in the national paper itself. In the national paper also. So you can see this event is also good. The third number is speaking here is the 24. Now let's move from here straight to the Thursday Fortune itself. In the Thursday Fortune, Thursday paper, The single 3 playing at that position and jumping is many. This is the event that I played the last time that I was talking about, and you can see they play these 2 numbers on the event in midweek, just this midweek. But you notice that the last time I picked 7 play, the 7 supposed to repeat and play with the 40 and then 38. I used the one in the national paper and I left this one, and then they play the single 3 with the 7. But you can see single 3 to jump 1, 2, 3. That single 3 is many in even the Thursday paper itself. There is also another one here. Single 3 at first position, supposed to jump 1, 2, 3. So just a very good one. Now this is the main event that we are using. A very simple one. At event 764. Event 764, you can see 87 play at last position is machine to winning. So you can see 87 at last position, then 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. The 87 will counter to 42. Play at machine, that is winning. Then from the 42, 4 weeks down, 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 will play. This become the third number that we are using. So you will see 10 will play over there. 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. Then the single 3 play at first position. So 3 weeks down again, 1, 2, 3. The single 3 will have to jump, play with the counter, that is 48. Then the 10 itself come back to play with it. So you notice that the 10 also come back to play with the numbers to form the 3 numbers on this event. Whilst I'm using the one in the Thursday paper itself. So you can notice that you can see that this particular event, the 24 is not on it. He played the following week rather. So that is why I'm using this, because of the 10 here. Even though 24 is what is playing with them, but the one that set here in the Thursday, the 24 is not here. So we are using this particular 3 numbers that are the single 3, 10, and then 48. So when you come to current 2, it's the same thing. You see at event 841, 87 play at last position, 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. The 87 will counter to 42. 4 weeks down from the 42, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 10, that is the 10. So 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. Single 3 will play at first position, 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. Then the single 3 will jump and play with the 10, and then play with the 10, and then the counter of the single 3. So single 3, 48, and then 10. That become our 3 numbers this time around. Instead for the single 3, 10, and then 24. If you like, you can add the 24 to it, please. If you want, you can add the 24 to it, and if you add it, Lotto can do anything. Okay, so you can add it. So this is our event. That is event 773. I should have used the one in the national or maybe the one in the midweek, but you know, as I was saying the last time, that is what I was talking about. When this my banker 7 and he repeat, you see that it's supposed to play with the 38 and then he pick the single 3. So I don't want to do that mistake again, going back to another paper to pick a transfer rather than the one that set in the paper itself. That is why I'm using this, but you can try the transfer also. So this is the event 773. Numbers on the event 54, 83, single 3, 10, and then 48. Going over it again, event 773. Numbers on the event 54. Even I did not even talk about it. The 10, the key of the 10 is 83. It's also on the event. This key, the string key is 10. It's also on the event. So 54, 83, single 3, 10, and then 48. Those are the 5 numbers that we are using for Thursday fortune. So hopefully they drop it like that for us. So single 3 our full banker. Bye for now.